Hello my beautiful souls, welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito, maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so we have here the 7 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, 9 of Wands, 5 of Cups, King of Swords, Knight of Cups, and the Sun. Bottom card natin, 5 of Pentacles. So may mga iniinda pa rin ng ending ng isang relationship dito. May nag-walk away or may nang ghost with the 5 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups. Hanggang ngayon masakit pa rin, iniiyakan pa rin. Ito mga nawala, itong loss. Ang bigat, with the 10 of Wands, ang bigat ng pakiramdam. Parang pakiramdam niya, pasan niya ang daigdig. Kasi parang nawala bigla yung happiness niya. So this person is waiting. And maaaring guarded and wounded na rin parehas kayo. Kung this is your past person na iniinda nyo pa rin yung pain ng separation. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel. Overcoming difficulties. Pero tingnan mo naman, nalampasan mo na yung mga bibigat na pagsubok na ito. Ayan, by Archangel Jeremiah. The worst is now behind you and you're surmounting any previous challenges. So, nalampasan mo na itong mga mabibigat na pagsubok na ito. So itong mga pinagdaanan mo, pagsubok lang yan para patatagin ka sa susunod na hamon ng buhay. So we have here the shovel. The knife, yan, sobrang bigat talaga and painful, very painful with the knife. Shovel, so talagang ang bigat na nangyari sa past mo na pilit mo na ibinabaon sa limot. We have here the dream catcher, parang nagkaroon pa ito sa inyo ng very traumatic experience. Dreamcatcher, bonfire, target, and camera. Bottom card natin, lantern. So, nagkukos din to ng sleepless nights. Every night, gising na gising kasi parang natatakot ka na or na-trauma ka dito sa nangyari. Napapanaginipan mo pa to. So, tingnan natin. Pero, ayan, nalampasan mo na itong mga ito. Parang kumakalma ka na ngayon. So, we have here, I'm so attracted to you. I lost myself for a little while. I knew exactly what I was doing. I don't react when people mention you. Pero kasi may isang nakamasid sa'yo with a target. Nakamasid siya sa'yo eh. So, maaaring interesado itong taong to na pumasok sa buhay mo. Pero nakikita pa kasi niya na parang devastated ka pa dito sa nangyari sa past mo. Kaya hindi siya makapasok or hindi siya makagawa ng move. So, you speak to me through music. I bury myself in work to forget you. Can't stop thinking about you and I will wait for a sign from you. So, naghihintay siya ng go signal mo kung pwede siyang pumasok or maaaring lang siya sa'yo, nakatingin itong taong to. Okay, so confirmation na this is a friend. I want to be more than friends. So, may isang tao kasi na concern sa'yo. Ayan nga, it's a friend na nandyan lagi para sa'yo. And like niya iniisip, gusto ka niyang tulungan na maka-overcome ka dito sa past, traumatic past na nangyari sa'yo. Ayan, pero dahil nga isa siyang kaibigan, parang ayaw naman niya manghimasok muna or kumbaga parang bantay sa lakay yung dating niya. Feeling left out in the cold. So kasi nga parang ginost ka pa nitong isa. This person put you in a third party situation, willing to take the risk. You're my inspiration. Can you forgive me? Talking to you telepathically. I hate my pride and ego. I'm honest to you. You're my destiny bottom card. So, let's see sa ating mga initials. Letter N. T. H. Y. Q. X. L. R. B. O. G. And let's see sa ating blue card, we have twin flame and no strings attached. So, isang twin flame, isang no strings attached, isa sa kanila dyan, and manipulation. So, the manipulative person na pinaglaruan yung feelings mo na nag-cause ng a lot of trauma, painful experiences in your past. Ayan. And let's see general signs and messages. So we have here Taurus, province, killer smile, karmic relationship, and a soulmate. So isa yan, yung dalawang taong yan, karmic and soulmate. Karmic yung isa, soulmate yung isa. Very lucky, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, chaser, Visayas, South PH, caring, Aquarius, athletic, quiet person, birthmark, attractive, amazing and gorgeous. Number 8, city, 9, April, Sagittarius, trustworthy, December, beautiful, Mindanao, eye contact, sword air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and last card natin, Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So yun ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.